and that was a mistake. And now I have to reinstall Windows. So, great success. Fucking dumb. It's like, why? I gave you access to one repository. I did not give you access to my whole fucking hard drive, but whatever. That's fine.
Are you using OpenClaw or are you just using
I'm just using VS Code.
Oh, you're just using. Okay.
I'm trying to get good at Python, and it's just, it's going so well.
I was learning, like just teaching myself with YouTube. Well, I was really
Mm.
more teaching, having AI teach me.
Yeah, that's the way to go, honestly.
Yeah, and then it got good enough where I just quit learning. I was like, okay, AI is capable of doing most of the things I'm trying to do. So,
Yeah.
yeah.
As long as you can as long as you can read and understand what it's doing after it's built, then I think it's fine. Like people will get, oh, it's not secure. Oh, blah, blah." No, just know what it's writing and change what you think is not good, and you'll be fine. It'll save you a ton of time.
I know enough to understand what Ed is telling me at most times, and that's like the bare. That's like most times emphasis. Well, shoot. I might take Gold down to a runner a little early and roll here just because it's up so much and we're in the money.
Yeah, so like the beacon just came through on the web version, but nothing is coming through on the desktop, which is very strange, which is probably my computer. So, and that's probably why my Weeble account is not working either. So, we're gonna we're gonna try and do this little reinstall here and see if that fixes some network bugs. But oh well.
What game did you make?
I was trying to just make like it's nothing crazy. It's kind of like a, you ever played the card game? And you probably haven't, but it's called Selling the Dream.
I
It's
have
based,
not.
okay, so basically it's a card game where everybody in that's playing is a realtor, and they're dealt a property card, and then they're dealt two random feature or dream cards or nightmare cards. And pretty much you have to sell the property for as much as you possibly can to other players, but you have to disclose all of the dreams and nightmares about the property. You can say whatever you want, but you have to disclose it in one way or another. So, like, for example, let's say you get dealt a nightmare card that's a pet cemetery, right? You could say, oh, well, I have this 4 bedroom, 3 bathroom house, and it has a wonderful view of some monuments. And they're very well known. It's historical. You can say just, and that's it. And you set the starting bid for the property, and then if people want it, then they do. If not, then you're kind of screwed.
That is that sounds fun.
We played it with my cousins, and if you get like 10 people in there, it devolves very quickly into what the fuck are you hiding?
Yeah.
Well, they're trying to figure out, okay, monuments, what does that mean? Does it mean like Easter Island monuments? It's that Confederate statue monument. But
Bitcoin already barcoding here. I almost want to short it. But it's probably dumb because it's not really a high quality idea. So I just need to be patient. It's just barcoding. We'll probably get one more pump. I don't know, man. The 4 hour and the daily are already like burning out, and the weekly never turned. This thing is so dead. Even this move right here from the cues, just don't. Look, there's just a violent spike up on no volume. That's a classic sign of short covering rather than real buying. Irene flipped a 65-minute, but I need a dip. I need the dips to confirm if I should buy. Otherwise, I'm just gonna sit here and twiddle my thumbs. Twiddle my thumbs and run through my watch list. Boom, 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 boom. We're working on a really cool update, by the way, for Ember, and this should fix a lot of the bugs that you were sending me and the pairing issues some people are having with Weeble. I think you just sent me a screenshot of you also
I
having
did, yeah.
Yeah. I don't know why some people are getting that and some people aren't, but I think you know.
I I'm gonna try. I thought it was because yesterday it worked fine and it was showing me a balance, and then I restarted Ember, and then it gave me the error.
Okay.
So and that was after I did the whole delete branch thing. So I'm hoping it's just my computer is being a piece of shit and it's not the app, but we'll see.
Okay. Maybe that's what it is.
Yeah, we'll see. I love how Windows takes like 3.5. It's a 6 GB download. Takes 3.5 years to download and install, but that's fine. The other part, I have this can't remember what it's called. It's called Revision Tool, but basically it takes all of the Indian slop spyware that's on Windows and it just completely cuts it out, and it makes it run almost as good as Windows 10. But with sometimes it has issues, but usually it's not that's doing it. It's usually, oh, this executable is turned off and you just need to go turn it on. But so far it's been pretty good. It actually makes the little search bar in the bottom left of your screen actually like search your files and not online. Pretty nice.
That's pretty nice. Oracle ended up failing that Evening Star. No, it's pumping. Irene clear like flying over yesterday's highs. Wow, there is very little indication of these pumps. Pre-market actually looks pretty bleak, but I still don't have great RVOL pretty much anywhere. Where's the liquidity? This is not making me bullish at all. This is kind of spooking me. I'm not gonna lie. I don't like to see. I don't like to see a lack of real buyers. And I don't like these unhealthy moves. I would like the market to slowly climb a wall worry, not just spike on. Well, honestly, spike on nothing.
Oh, that's I need it. Why did Webull change their app? Why did they do this? I need to figure out how to get back onto so it just shows me the option chain and not, hey, go through our GUI. No, thank you. I just want the chain, please.
These. I mean, it's violent. Morningstar and Oracle. I don't know if you can hear that, but my dog just let out the loudest groan. That's how I feel too, girl. How many of these oracles do I own? I own 7. Pretty sure my last bid was 6.4. Could take a partial here. Get a little nervous about how market's reacting. I could take a partial and still have plenty of exposure. Yeah, so that was actually a 15% gain from the original entry. Enough from the average entry. Bull's up 40% here. I'm actually kind of tempted to take it because I'm not even really sure why this thing is holding up while Bitcoin's pulling back. I thought this would be major resistance. It's pretty extended here. I might close this. I don't know. You got like 50 cents before the next like key level resistance. This might be the change of behavior where it can actually get solid run over the. That weekly is already so extended, man. So you're coming up to your 50-day right now. That takes you to 59. So what? I mean, I could lock it in now, and I'm maybe missing another 5%. I think I'm just gonna say thanks. Cool. And they took me near the ask, so I'll just sell to the strength. Well, I mean, I was kind of positioned well for this, quite honestly. Despite not making any new plays this morning, money's rolling in. My Irene calls are red to green. Did FXI do its fib retracement yet? I knew I should have waited a day at least on this one. It was just too extended on the daily, but now this looks even better actually. Now it's kind of tempted to add because now this looks like a cup and handle forming. Oh, don't take me to 33 though. Please don't take me to 618. I don't think I want to take that ride. Four-hour also doesn't look amazing, but the 2-day here looks really good. It's just kind of telling me that we're good. We're good. 4-hour might pull back a little bit more, so I'll set this alert at the EMA conversions, the heart of it. And then I need to look at the 65. For this, I want to know if we filled the gap. And that might be an ad. And I can actually delete this. Okay. I'm surprised Stockblock isn't in here talking about SMCI. That's like his favorite name to trade. It got like a big pop yesterday. It's getting continuation this morning. Whatever Cybers is giving my pullback kind of is. I might watch the 5-minute here. It's so overbought. Please give me a full reset to like 222. I might try to bid off that as long as the 65-minute looks good. Might end up being the end of the week. Just scalp before big tech earnings. Oh my! I'm gonna run a scan here actually. I'm gonna run my white calf scan. Oh, disgusting. What? Well, if that is an indication of how unreal this rally is, it's that. My gosh, half of this is finance. So my momentum scanner that hunts for like real momentum and high relative strength, we only have 8 names. 6 are not US. And half of them are finance. Okay. Let's run a small cap scan. Interesting. Is IWM lagging? No, kind of. It's actually still got relative strength. CRSR is the leader, though. Okay, I'm curious. CRSR. Isn't this one of our... I look at the app. It's not a ready name. That's really what's really interesting is with Ready, we can actually see that like over the past month, shorts have gone from attacking like small name businesses that they think are going to go to zero, and they've actually moved to big tech. And then today, they are short covering like ahead of the big tech earnings. Which means that tomorrow, if there's pops in the earnings, we probably see them step back in and try to drag the market lower. Wow, there's 0 viewers, 0 chats, 0 views on the live stream. Whoops.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Good morning.
Morning.
How you doing?
Oh, exhausted. We're at the county fair this week.
Oh yeah, that sounds fun.
Yeah,
Don't sound too excited.
some of it is.
Yeah.
It's a lot of work. We've got let's see, two of my kids have lambs. One's got a horse, or well, Lexi has a horse and a lamb here, and then Tyler has a cow, and then Cade has a lamb. So we have four animals here. Plus, my daughter set up her cookie dough trailer, so we're selling cookie dough. So yeah, it's
So you're
been
working.
busy already.
Yeah, you're not there just eating popcorn and playing games. You're working.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. Yesterday was a rough day. We had well, all four animals showed, so we had to give them baths and get them all ready and everything, and watch all the shows. And we were supposed to have like a tornado watch here too, so I had to. Luckily, it kind of went all around us. We got lucky on that one.
That's good. Is it humid as all get out over there?
Oh yeah, it's
Yeah.
actually not. Yesterday, where that storm was blowing through, it was actually a little bit cooler. But and then this morning it's not been bad yet, but I think it's supposed to be low 80s the rest of the week. So that's not terrible. I mean, it's been in the past years, it's been either like solid rain all week or pretty much hotter than fire.
Yeah.
So it's not going to be too bad, I don't think.
Well, that's good. 274. Okay, I think I'll come back in on this. Slowly come back in on this. Cautiously. I got that pullback I wanted on CBRS, but it's so violent. It's making me a little suspicious. I might give this just a few more moments here. Because I still have a $6 white stop. But if you can get a little bit closer to that failure, I might give it a shot with a tight stop. We're getting those back tests of the morning moves, though. A little disappointed in the way that Oracle looks here as like a look above and fail, but I've already taken some off, locked in some profits, so the positioning's fine. Do you need to take a look at forward here? Two-day turning, but looks fine. It's just not exciting. You get over that high that we just set this morning, and we should see a lot more explosive moves there. Actually, how much of this do I own? Not a lot. Position small. I might add August 21st. I still have a month left. I'll set an alert to check this again. when it comes to 1446. Just be extra patient. This 5 minute gets out of Morningstar from Cerebus. That could get interesting. Tesla just did a failed breakdown. I don't have good alignment anywhere, though. Honestly. I see. Cerebus is rallying because of the cyber attack, the AI cyber attack.
Anything else you want?
That's interesting. So most things pulled back. MU had a shallow dip and then it set new highs. It's about to flip the 65 minute as well. It's pretty overbought here, but it's pretty good behavior. It's almost tempting to get into calls. I'm not the most excited. I'm going to look at what the pricing is on end of week. And I mean, some 1110s are kind of interesting as like a pseudo lotto position because if CapEx is high on big tech earnings, this should get a really nice pop. So I could spend $240. If we get our pop, I have a 7 delta and the money. 60 points. 6 times 67. 3. 150. 160. 160% returns. And I don't have Vol Crush from earnings. Risk is about a 50% drawn out. It's like a 3-to-1. It's not a bad idea, honestly. It really isn't. I think I'll buy one of these. See if I can come in at 2.5. And then I might size up into something a little bit better if we get a better intraday setup. Holy crap, they aren't letting me. There's no way I'm getting in at 2.5. I'm trying 266. No shot. Is this thing just pumping? It is. It's just pumping. All right, 272. I just had a lot of there. CBRS. Holy cow, this is way more expensive than I thought it would be. CBRS is even more expensive than Y. Hold up. Is there earnings coming up? No, I don't see squat. holy pricey. That's super pricey. I might just let that one pass. I'm not a fan of those premiums at all. They must have held up into the. They must be holding up into the dip pretty well. Yeah, implied volatility's through the roof. Like this thing has earnings soon. Maybe it's just not showing up on TradingView. Because you got 150%. No, earnings projected out in September. Oh yeah, because last earnings report was June. Positive reaction got sold. What's the first SpaceX earnings? That's a question I want answered. When do I get to look at the inner financials of X? That's what I really want to see. So that comes beginning of August. Irene back testing. NVIDIA testing bullish EMA here as the Qs kind of come back to its EMA. I don't like how the topping pattern looks on the 15-minute though. It's a bit concerning. X is going crazy about Dell. Wow, Dell failed breakdown. What's the headline? I see. I see what's going on here. SMCI hinted at great numbers and a massive backlog. So data centers ran, and Dell being a hardware provider also ran. The daily's about to get a flip on Dell. Actually looks pretty interesting here. Meta hinted they wanted to get data center built. Was it getting some bids here? No, not at all. In fact, daily's rolling over. It gave up its daily MA. What a piece of trash. The way it can't get a real breakout. People hate this stock. Had a really good momentum influence in the higher time frames too, and that failed. That's only the second one this year to fail. The third one to fail. I mean, CBRS kind of getting a turn here. Almost looks interesting. I might be taking a play there in a few minutes. How are open positions doing? Up 17% on SpaceX here. Our August goals for Viking Therapeutics are in the green. That's interesting. Looks like they were in the green yesterday, though. Irene flat. Emulato isn't working. MGM still getting this very odd crash. Did buyer pull out? It looks like just some holder exhaustion. You get the buyout news, people hold and hold, and then, they don't have a lot of patience. Daily momentum looks rough. Weekly EMA is about to get tested. They should be set up for an okay earnings. I guess it'll all depend on what the market thinks about the spend for the Japanese market.
Do I have any meetings today? Due at 11.
Oh no. I forgot to update my address to the new house on eBay. And now this stuff is going to go to the completely wrong address. Whoops.
I accidentally did that one time with Wayfair for a bed frame, and it went to Ace and I's old apartment when we were in the new house, and I had to rent a U-Haul to go pick it up. All right, I'll be back. I have to restart my Windows and fix it. So, see you in a couple minutes.
All right, YouTube. I'm probably gonna end the live stream here. It's a very quiet day, but we end around for after the first hour. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. God bless. Just big tech earnings coming up. All right. So best to just have some patience. Don't get much FOMO here. See what tomorrow brings. There'll be some higher quality setups, and you can build better convictions off of what those reports bring. So, God bless.